myself Farman Forum. I am 15 years old. Before the workshop, my speed was 165 words per minute, and after doing the workshop for 6 days, it has drastically changed to 3000 words per minute. People don't believe it, but I'll explain you what I have read. I have read 2 chapters. The first one of it is my dog Marcus. It is a chapter about a dog whose owner has described in that he is a very lazy, stupid but handsome dog. A kind of Saint Bernard. It is a kind of dog which is used in snowy regions for travel. The dog was usually used to travel a distance. They are very active, but this dog was not very so active. He was very lazy, but his owner called him at work occasionally, like only for a walk, but he doesn't used to do that also. When he was seen to go on a walk, he just used to go to the nearer corner and come back. After some days, the dog done something that the people can't imagine. The dog used an idea to their owner to teach them something. He made an idea that he would pretend that he is deaf, so he doesn't used to do any work. When the owners called him, he doesn't supposed to respond. He seemed that he had gone deaf. After 2-3 days, a lady came and she shouted, cried very loudly towards her husband that our dog has gone deaf. Listening this, the husband was shocked, but he told we could look at it further and we could wait for some days to learn something more. After some days, they noticed that dog was partially deaf, not fully deaf, because when once they were sitting on a dinner and from a fork the piece of meat fallen down, and hearing this, the dog came very actively and gulped it down. They thought that he was deaf. How could he hear? He was in the next room. But they thought it might be he had got partially deaf. But they noticed it for few days, and they noticed that he was able to listen everything related to food, only not able to listen things related to work. Seeing this, they understood that the dog was playing a prank with them, so they thought to teach a lesson to their dog. They taught the lesson to their dog. They both conversed to each other in the way that they only lip read to each other. They doesn't used to make any sound. They speak to each other without voice. So the dog thought that doing the acting of being deaf, am I seriously gone deaf? Thinking this, the dog was being very sad. He lost his 30 pounds of weight, and he was moving believing that he was moving in the whole room. He was not occasionally good. So he was going on doing that. After some days, the husband and wife thought he is doing well. He has now got his lesson. So he was just stopped doing that, and the husband conversed to his wife in a voice. So listening that, the dog got very excited and he was very happy. And the next chapter which I read was about a boy and his mother. That was once they were sitting on a seashore, pulling their legs inside the hot sand. They both were talking to each other. The boy asked his mother, "What are your dreams? What are your daydreams?" Usually people get daydreams which are fulfilled and that are good. The boy asked his mother that what is your dream? The mother told, "I have a dream that your dad gives me a diamond earrings very soon." And the mother again asked the boy that what's your dream? The boy told, "I want to buy a big house facing this sea, on this sea, and in that house I want servants carrying sweet and chocolate plates." So after some weeks, the daydream of the mother got fulfilled, and his father gifted her a diamond earrings. His father was in police. After some months, the boy noticed that his mother was not having the diamond rings. So he asked her, "Where are your earrings, mother?" She replied that your dad has pawned him. So he thought, why? You have just buy it some days before only. She told, "We have some installments left." So he pawned the same thing only. So after this all, he told that, "Okay, I'll buy one for you." Seeing this, his mother was very eager to have the diamond earrings again. So she was working very hard. She used to stitch. She used to tailor something, and she was stitching rose petals on the garlands. After that, the years passed, and the was very famous. It had got very additions and he got very famous, and his dream come true for having a house on the beach. He had the house but there were no servants carrying the chocolate, but it doesn't mean his dream was left. After that he gifted his mother the earrings, but when they compliment her, she was not able to look because working very hard she has gone blind and she was not able to look at her diamond earrings. Thank you.
मेरा नाम हेमा परमार है, मैं सूरत से बिलोंग करती हूँ। मेरी बेटी का नाम फौरम परमार है, वो 15 ईयर्स की है। उसने 1 साल पहले मिड-ट्रेन एक्टिविशन कंप्लीट किया है। उसमें उससे बहुत सारी अच्छी उसमें आदतें आई हैं। वो पढ़ाई पहले एक जगह बैठकर ठीक से कर नहीं पाती थी, और वो एक जगह बैठ के 1-1.5 घंटा पढ़ सकती है। उसके बाद मिड-ट्रेन एक्टिवेशन वालों ने स्पीड रीडिंग कोर्स इंट्रोड्यूस किया, तो अभी वो उसने स्पीड रीडिंग कोर्स किया है। वो अभी 10th में आई है, तो उसके लिए मैं सोच रही थी कि अभी उसकी क्राफ्ट अदर एक्टिविटी बहुत सारी है। उसके लिए मैं सोच रही थी कि अभी इसको मैं सब एक्टिविटी बंद करवा दूं और सिर्फ पढ़ाई में ध्यान दूं। पर थैंक्स फॉर स्पीड रीडिंग कोर्स, जिससे मुझे बहुत सारा फ़ायदा हुआ कि वो 3-4 घंटे की पढ़ाई 1 घंटे में कंप्लीट कर पा रही है। उससे उसकी अदर एक्टिविटी बंद नहीं हुई, पढ़ाई में भी अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलता है।